Welcome to Home Tools Idea. Click the subscribe and press the bell icon to get updates. Dear friends, are you looking for meat grinder? Now we will see top 5 meat grinders from Amazon. Don't forget to subscribe my channel and click in the bell icon. Gourmia GMG 525 electric meat grinder. Total review of this meat grinder is 1,199 and people rate 4.4 out of 5. Specifications: durable stainless steel body, heavy duty operation, 3 operation modes, can process all parts of an animal. Kitchener Elite electric meat grinder. Total review of this meat grinder is 117 and people rate 4.7 out of 5. Specifications: sturdy construction, powerful motor, effortless assembly and disassembly, versatile application. Please like, comment and subscribe. Sunmile SMG 73 electric meat grinder. Total review of this meat grinder is 451 and people rate 4.3 out of 5. Specifications: easy grinding mechanism, can grind up to 185 pounds an hour. Safety switch, best for home. Kitchen Basics 3-in-1 meat and vegetable grinder. Total review of this meat grinder is 1232 and people rate 4.1 out of 5. Specifications: can grind pasta, vegetables, and meats. Varieties of application and accessories. Smooth operation with less maintenance. Simple assembly. Maverick MM5501 Mince Master Meat Grinder. Total review of this meat grinder is 84 and people rate 4.4 out of 5. Specifications: durable body construction, stainless steel cutting blades, reverse function, grinds various types of meats and food ingredients. Check the description box for more information about the products. Thanks for watching. Hit the subscribe button for more.